1. Morning and evening cleaning. First of all, when you wake up in the morning, take a nice shower with warm water. Then start your skincare routine. To revitalize skin and clear pores, with the help of tonic, clean the residues and dirt remaining on your skin. Tonic tightens the pores and revitalizes your skin. Additionally, it maintains the pH balance of your skin. Then use a suitable moisturizer to maintain the moisture balance of your skin. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Moisturizer keeps your skin moist and soft all day long. Finally, we will use cream for the eye area. Moreover, your eyes are the most sensitive part of your face and require special care. Eye cream helps reduce fine lines and dark circles in this area. 2. Hair care. Your hair is an important part of your overall appearance. Healthy, shiny and well-shaped hair makes you look more attractive and well-groomed. This increases your self-confidence and helps you feel better. Taking good care of your hair keeps your hair healthy in the long run. A good hair care routine that starts at an early age minimizes problems, such as hair loss and thinning in later ages. It also helps with a correct cut. For this, your barber must be a professional. Do not get your hair cut by Eve. 3. Body care. For clean and fresh skin, taking a daily shower is very important. It keeps your body clean and fresh. Additionally, taking a shower after sweating or exercising helps remove dirt and sweat from your skin. Also, do not forget to follow these steps correctly. They are simple but important things. Foot and hand care is at least as important as your hair. Cutting your fingernails and toenails regularly will definitely make you more attractive, because you will use your body language when talking to the opposite sex, and you will show your hands involuntarily. In addition, your toenails will also be worn in an environment where you are wearing socks. It will stand out and is a part that should be given importance, so that it does not make you unattractive. 4. Fragrance. The use of perfume is an important part of personal care and, for many men, an indispensable part of their daily routine. Perfume doesn't just provide a pleasant scent, it also increases your personal image and self-confidence. As a perfume choice, choose a scent that reflects yourself and do not stop using it for a long time. This way, people will memorize your scent.